You don't see it? You don't see it? You can't see it? Oh, you can't see it. Okay. Are you a comedian? Come on. Hi, Marie. How are you today? Did you get a sock? The refrigerator is a scary monster. Peekaboo. You finished? Oh, new toy. Look. Valentine's. It has this chocolate strawberry. I love chocolate strawberries. You see the camera? Hi, Marie. Happy Valentine's. You like the Charmeleon the best? Okay, happy time. Say hi. How are you today? Hi. Hi. She could do it. Kicking it. You need a nappy nap? Okay. Nappy nap time. Nappy nap. Is that your favorite one? Okay, that's your favorite. What about this one? You just threw it to the side. Are you eating your clothes? That strawberry looks good, huh? Chocolate covered strawberries. Yum. You said, forget that. I want to play. See, he has a big old strawberry chocolate covered. How are you today? Happy Valentine's Day. How are you today? I wish I had a strawberry like that. It looks yummy. You say mama. See? She's learning a few words. She wants the strawberry. Ah, you have good taste. She just wants the strawberry, not the teddy bear. Are you kicking that poor squishmallow? Are you kicking it? Oh, you're gonna crawl soon. Crawling soon? I think so. You've been going on your tummy. Good. Oh, you keep kicking that poor toy. Look at the toy. She has a lot to tell us. You want to show them your book? Let's see. Oh, wait, not the book. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, there's stuff over there. I'll show it later. I can't. Let's see, what's Kylo doing? Oh, what did you get? Did you get some stuff? You're finished because you ate? Making bubbles? The bubble machine. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Everybody. A bubble machine. My slippers. Are you sleepy? Hi. Say hi, everybody. You do it. Hi. She does it, but just when I tell her to do it, she was not going to do it. Oh, yeah, she's doing it. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. How are you today? I see the dimple. I see a dimple. Everybody says you have so much hair whenever we go out. You have your buddies, the Charmeleon, Squishmallow, and the new one is a teddy bear with the chocolate covered strawberry. Nice. Nice gift. I think that one's from Grandma. Yeah, she gave nice gifts for Valentine's. Oh, bubble machine. And you have another toy in the back. Ah, see? Hi. Hi. She's learning some things. Hi. She's trying to do that too. She can almost do it. It's so smart. See her toy in the back? That one's nice. I think that one's for older babies though. But she presses some of the buttons on that one in the back. But that's for older babies. There you go. Hi everybody, how are you today? Have a good day. We love you. God bless. Bye.